we're here at Dasmariñas, Cavite, and there is something very special that happened again in our motorcycle community. And with me is no other than Philip Garcia, Regional Manager of Northern Luzon ng Wheeltech, no? And kapansin-pansin, naka-orange ngayon si Sir Philip. Sir Philip, ano bang nangyari ngayon?
Alam mo, Joey, binuksan namin ngayon yung second branch namin ng KTM, no? KTM Dasmariñas. Yung first branch namin was KTM Makati, and today we just opened Dasmariñas branch.
Yun. Guys, no, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng Makati or Manila para humanap, tumingin ng KTM, kung lalong-lalo kung taga South Luzon ka, no? Yes. So, dito lang, punta ka along Aguinaldo Highway, makikita ninyo itong bagong branch ng KTM, which is katabing-katabi ng Wheeltech. I understand na hindi lamang ito yung store na bubuksan ninyo.
Totoo yan, Joey. In fact, ito yung gusto namin ilapit talaga dun sa customers natin, yung mga branches. Kasi unlike before na napakahirap talagang humanap ng store. Kailangan mo pang magpunta ng Manila, di ba? At the end of the month, we will open our third KTM branch in San Fernando, Pampanga. And soon after that, we will also open yung Nueva Ecija branch natin, KTM Nueva Ecija.
O yun guys, yung mga taga-norte, huwag kayong mainggit. Magkakaroon ng branch na malapit sa inyo. Alam nyo naman si Wheeltech ang inilalapit niya sa inyo yung iba't ibang mga brands ng motor, no? So para hindi na kayo mahirapan mamili. Sir Philip, narinig ko na merong promo ang KTM, no? Can you tell us about it?
Kanina nga sabi nung President, CEO ng Adventure Cycle Philippines na si Mr. Dino Santos, nagbaba sila ng presyo just today.
Okay.
So kung yung Duke 200 is priced at 169 before, Joey, 147,000 na lang siya. Yung Duke 390, no, para hindi ako magkamali, from 299 is 240,000 na lang. Yung sa RC200 naman, from 199,000, 159,000 na lang siya ngayon.
Wow, grabe yung binaba.
Hindi pa yon. Yung RC390.
Okay, yun.
Diba? Ang presyo niya from 399. Ang presyo na lang ngayon is 279,000.
Wow, grabe. Guys, this is your chance to own something orange, no? Something ready to race, a KTM, no? Well, ako, I started off, nagkaroon ako ng Duke 200, karoon ako ng Duke 390. Medyo mahal pa nun. Bro, ito bang mga KTM na na-mention mo, ito na yung gawa dito sa planta ng KTM Philippines?
Sabi nga ni KTM Philippines kanina, they already started manufacturing, and ngayon, yung mga binibenta nila is sila na mismo yung gumawa. Because ang gusto ng KTM Philippines kasi is pakita nila na yung gawa natin, gawang Pinoy, is world standard.
Yun. So there you have it, guys. You heard it first from Sir Philip Garcia, and this is Joy Storm Rivero here at Dasmariñas, Cavite, the new KTM branch, and we are watching Lifestyle on Wheels.